भारताच्या बँकिंग सेक्टरात महत्त्वाचे योगदान दिवपी युनिटी बँक सुमार 7,500 कोटीचे डेपॉझिट आशिल्ली ही बँक भारतभर बँकेच्यो सुमार 400 शाखा गोयात सुमार 6 शाखा आसात. गिरायकांच्या विश्वासाच्या नेटार बँक इतिहासीक वाटचाल करता. गोयातल्या हेर शहरांनी ही बँक आपलो विश्वास करता म्हूण CEO इंदरजीत कामोत्रा उलयलो.
We are the youngest bank in India, and we have the advantage of leapfrogging. We come without too much legacy, and as such we can cater to the segments of our choice, where we'll target 25 to 45-year-olds who are digitally native and yet provide the savings and the comfort to our senior citizens, our women through the Pearl accounts, and the businesses through our Vyapar accounts. So we are planning to make a new age of banking and deliver things digitally at the convenience and ease of our customer. We got a cohort of very able bankers from the amalgamation and 110 branches. Unity Bank values the cohort which we have received and the quality of customer service and the customers who have come to us. And it's been a growth and positive story thereon. We have great faith in Goa as a state. We already have 6 branches here. We are now relocating branches from slightly inside the villages into the main high street of Goa.